Hey everybody, thanks for visiting us this morning at ArklateXHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Tuesday forecast update, and if you enjoyed the temperatures yesterday, and I think everybody did, good news. We're in store for the comfortable conditions once again today, really through the upcoming week and even through the weekend as well. You can see this morning we're running a little bit warmer. Yesterday we started out in the 30s in most areas. Today starting out in the 40s here, 49 in Shreveport and mid-40s for Texarkana, and after starting out in the 40s this morning, should quickly jump into the 50s by 9, 60s by noon, and I think high temperatures today will be in the upper 60s and low 70s once again, so just a perfect afternoon for us. It's gone partly cloudy throughout the day, so we do have some cloud cover drifting through. I'll show you that in just a moment, but your temperatures elsewhere this morning, most of us in the low to mid 40s, so we are running a few degrees warmer than what we saw yesterday, as we do have a little more cloud cover out there this morning. See, the winds have kicked in out of the southeast at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now, we did make it into the low 70s yesterday in Shreveport, forecasting 70 today, but I think a few of these numbers may come in a little bit higher today, but pretty similar readings to what we saw yesterday. And again, one of the changes that we're seeing this morning, clouds are a little bit further north than what we saw yesterday, so we are going to see the partly cloudy conditions once again throughout the day today. See some rain at the top of the screen there. That's our next cold front, which will make its way in tomorrow. And again, kind of the upper level winds in the atmosphere coming straight down from Canada here. The cold air for the time being kind of bypassing us, and that should be the case as we go through the upcoming week, but that north wind is going to push that cold front in our direction. So for today, no raindrops in your forecast, as we'll just see those partly cloudy conditions through the day, and then you see tomorrow morning that frontal boundary begins to make its way in pretty close to sunrise north of I-30. So initially we'll probably see a few raindrops late morning, early afternoon along and north of I-30, mainly Texarkana and points to the north, and you see the front will probably hold enough steam to bring a few raindrops even south of I-30. Kind of a question whether or not the rain makes it to Shreveport. Even if it does, looking at very light rain accumulations at some point Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening. Won't be much of an impact to any outdoor activities or plans that you may have here, as we're looking at light rainfall totals throughout the region tomorrow. Can show you that here over the next let's say 24, 36 hours. You see rainfall accumulations less than about 1/10 of an inch in most locations, but we do have some additional rainfall on the way. That will set up, looks like later Saturday, then next Sunday into Monday. Right now the forecast models here advertising maybe an inch of rain over the next 6 to 7 days here across the region, but there are some indications we could maybe see some higher amounts across East Texas. So right now doesn't look like a heavy rain or severe weather threat, but again, being March, that could obviously change for us. It does look like the potential, maybe a few strong thunderstorms there on Monday, but it is a long way out yet. Your high temperatures stay locked in, very comfortable range, upper 60s and low 70s for the next 7 days, and overnight lows in the 40s and 50s.